most of our documents these days is either on a hard drive or in the cloud. So we have two avenues of recovery of financial documents. We can actually take a hard drive, and I'm talking about the PC or the laptop. There's a little segment of it that's called the hard drive, that's the memory. We can take that even if someone has attempted to destroy it. We've preserved hard drives that have been thrown into a fireplace and then have been put in a dishwasher, and others that have been dug into a flower pot. So those are three instances in which we've had to physically preserve a hard drive and then go in and extract the electronic data. But the other aspect of electronic data is it can be tampered with. Not only can you delete it, you can still find it sometimes if it's been deleted, but there's now technology that allows you to go in and change the face of an email document or a document that's attached to an email and change it so its date or its content has somehow been altered, and then putting it all back together with date stamp technology, and you recreate the signature of the original document. And finding that evidence is quite a feat. It requires a lot of forensic capability. Usually we hire an expert for that. And on one file, I hired a high-level hacker because the evidence had been hacked. We had to recreate how the evidence was acquired, changed, and then put back. It's a very simple way of explaining something that was actually quite complicated. So I would recommend, if you have access to electronic documents and they're going to be critical to your case in some way, that you take a step to preserve the hard drive or otherwise preserve electronic evidence that's in your control. And I don't mean hiding it or destroying it, I mean preserve it so it can be shared within the litigation milieu. So it's available to both parties and both lawyers and the court in some original preserved state.